I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to link the last video with this video. But anyway, I may have accidentally ordered 2 kits of they're like sick package. I don't remember what it's called. Yeah, I don't remember what it's called, but I may have accidentally ordered 2 of their medicine packs off aquariumcoop.com. Ordered 2 plants because that's what I really wanted. Some of their Easy Green and Extreme Aquatic Flake Foods. Actually, Aquarium Co-op's got better prices than I'm pretty sure anyone, if that's a thing for you, shop at Aquarium Co-op. But anyway, got some plants. Scarlet Temple is the one I wanted the most. Hopefully you guys can see good. The bag tears really easy, just tear it open. That's what the plant looks like. Looks pretty good. Definitely quite a few little plants in there. I don't know if you guys can see that so well. They look nice straight out the gate. It's good. Slight discoloration, but it's alright. Nothing a little time won't heal. And then this one is the Red Flame Sword. My favorite color is actually blue. I don't know if there's any blue species of freshwater plants, but that would be awesome. See, this is how the bag rips. Super easy. I'd rather damage the bag than the plant. So this plant was missing a leaf. I don't think that matters. I'm pretty sure if I just drop that into the tank, a new plant will grow. A little bit of moss or algae or something came with this one, but not worried about it. Got some shrimp in my tank. I'm sure they're hungry. Here's the Amazon Red Flame Sword. Looks pretty good. One leaf broke off, not too worried about it. A couple are bent, but not broken. They will come back or wilt, so new ones can come. The roots look pretty good. Nice little bushel in there. Really nice little bushel on the scarlet. Thanks, because that's the one I really wanted. Yeah, that's it. My Aquarium Co-op order. That's it. Probably more than likely accidentally ordered 2 of the medicine kits, but my bad. Stupid is what stupid does, right? That's it. I think I got a free sticker out of the deal. And I'd give it 4 stars. Just kidding. I'd give it 5. I only said 4 because I messed up. Peace.